Making $10,000 per month may sound like a lofty goal, but in today's digital world, it's more achievable than ever before. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, remote worker, or complete beginner, the smartest route to this level of income in 2025 is no longer about climbing a corporate ladder. It's about combining your skills, leveraging digital tools, building personal brand authority, and creating scalable systems. This video will walk you through the realistic and smartest steps to help you reach consistent $10,000 months. Let's dive in. Master one high-income skill that solves real problems. If you're starting from scratch, the most important first step is to master a high-income skill, one that people are willing to pay good money for. In 2025, the most profitable and in-demand skills are rooted in the digital economy. This includes copywriting, video editing, social media management, AI prompt engineering, sales closing, digital advertising, and funnel building. These are not just trendy roles, they are the backbone of businesses worldwide, especially for online entrepreneurs. The smartest approach isn't to dabble in 5 different things at once. It's to go deep on one skill and become known for solving a specific problem. For example, you can master email copywriting that helps brands increase conversion, or become a skilled short-form video editor for Instagram and TikTok influencers. You'll gain traction much faster by becoming a specialist instead of a generalist. Once you begin working with clients, your reputation, experience, and referrals will begin to build momentum. At this stage, it's normal to earn anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per month, consistently with just this one skill alone. Sell a scalable digital product or info asset. Once you've built income from your service, it's time to move into scalable income. This means selling something that doesn't require your time every time someone makes a purchase. That's where digital products come in. These include templates, mini courses, ebooks, guides, checklists, or plug-and-play systems that solve a niche problem. Let's say you're a productivity coach. You could sell a Notion dashboard or morning routine planner. If you're a video editor, you could sell a beginner's video editing toolkit with tutorials and templates. The key is to take knowledge you already have and package it into something useful and repeatable for others. Platforms like Gumroad, Podia, Teachable, and Payhip make it easy to upload and sell your digital products globally. Your first product doesn't have to be perfect or expensive. Many people make thousands from simple $10 or $25 downloads, and once it's built, you can promote it on autopilot through your content. We'll get to that shortly. Now you're making money in your sleep, and that's where passive income begins. Build a personal brand, even if you're an introvert. In 2025, your personal brand is your resume, portfolio, and digital storefront, all in one. It doesn't matter if you're a freelancer, a coach, or a digital product creator, people buy from those they trust. And the fastest way to build trust at scale is to consistently create content around your area of expertise. You don't need to be a loud, extroverted influencer to succeed. You just need to share valuable insights and document your journey. Choose one platform to start with: YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter X, or TikTok. Then post consistently, talk about your work, share client results, explain how you solve problems, or just show behind the scenes of your creative process. For example, if you're a freelance brand designer, share before-after transformations of client logos or explain how color psychology impacts conversions. If you're building your first product, share the journey from concept to launch. Over time, you'll attract followers who trust you, and when they trust you, they'll buy from you. Even a small audience of 1,000 true fans can help you hit $10,000 a month when you sell high-value services or scalable products. Personal brand gives you leverage in every area of your business: clients, partnerships, and growth. Launch a one-person digital business. Once your skill and personal brand are generating income, it's time to build a simple digital business model. This doesn't mean starting a full-fledged company with employees and investors. The smartest and most profitable route is often a one-person online business, lean, flexible, and 100% digital. Here's an example setup that smart solopreneurs use. You offer a high-ticket service like consulting, editing, or coaching. You sell digital products like templates or toolkits. You earn affiliate commissions by recommending products you love. You build a small email list or newsletter that you monetize. You produce content that generates ad revenue or brand deals. Each of these components adds to your income stream. Together, they create a powerful system where you're not dependent on one source. Some weeks, your product sales might spike. Other weeks, a brand might pay you for a sponsored post. Over time, you're not working harder, you're just earning smarter. Leverage AI and automation for massive efficiency. 2025 is the year of smart tools, not just hard work. With the rise of AI, you can now produce high-quality output in a fraction of the time. Writers, designers, editors, and marketers who learn to work with AI will earn 10x more than those who try to do it all manually. Start using tools like ChatGPT for writing help, Midjourney or DA for visual creation, and Descript for fast video editing. If you run an online business, tools like Zapier or Make can automate repetitive tasks like sending client onboarding emails or scheduling posts. The smartest earners today aren't necessarily the most talented. They're the most efficient. Automate what you can. Use AI as your assistant. Focus your human creativity where it matters most: strategy, relationships, and decision-making. Scale with affiliate marketing and partnerships. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable passive income streams, if done correctly. Instead of trying to build every product yourself, you can promote useful tools, software, and platforms created by others. You simply share a link, and if someone buys through it, you get paid. Here's the trick. Focus on value-based recommendations. Don't just drop links. Instead, create tutorials, how-to posts, or reviews. Explain how the product helped you and how others can benefit. For example, if you use ConvertKit to build your email list, you can show your audience exactly how you set it up and include your affiliate link. Some platforms pay $10 per sign-up, others pay $100 or more. If your content reaches enough people, even a small conversion rate can generate consistent income. This is especially powerful if you combine it with a blog, YouTube channel, or newsletter. Over time, those links keep earning while you focus on your next project. Introduce a group offer or subscription for recurring revenue. Most people try to scale by working harder. The smarter move: build offers that serve multiple people at once. Group coaching, workshops, or membership communities are great for this. If you're a freelance designer, you could run a brand strategy bootcamp for 10 business owners. If you're a writer, you could create a subscription where people get weekly templates and headline formulas. These offers allow you to deliver high value while earning more per hour. Recurring revenue is the key to predictability and freedom. Instead of chasing one-off clients or sales, you know exactly what's coming in every month. That's how you build confidence and peace of mind in your business. Monetize through smart platforms. In 2025, platforms themselves are becoming income sources. You don't always need a product to start earning. You can monetize your content directly through YouTube AdSense once you hit monetization thresholds, Twitter X revenue sharing for high engagement posts, a Substack for paid newsletters, Medium for partner program articles, Buy Me a Coffee or Ko-Fi for supporter tips, TikTok Creator Fund and shop commissions. These streams take time to build, but once you gain traction, they become pure passive income. One viral video or article can earn for months or years to come. Choose one platform and go deep with consistent, helpful content in your niche. Systemize, delegate, and protect your time. Scaling income to 10K a month isn't just about making more. It's about protecting your time and energy. That's where systems come in. Create templates for your proposals. Use tools like Calendly to eliminate back and forth scheduling. Hire a virtual assistant to handle admin tasks once you're earning enough. The smartest business owners aren't busy, they're efficient. Their day isn't packed with tasks. It's spent on what moves the needle: content, relationships, product development, or strategic decisions. If your current system feels chaotic, it's a sign to pause and optimize before scaling further. Remember, growth without systems, a burnout. Reinvest into assets that keep paying you. Once you start earning $10,000 a month, avoid the trap of upgrading your lifestyle too fast. The smartest move? Reinvest part of your income into growth and assets. This could include better gear for your videos or content, paid advertising to promote your products, hiring an editor or content manager, courses, masterminds, or coaching to uplevel your skills, investments in ETFs, real estate, or REITs that generate passive income. The goal is to turn income into wealth. The difference? Income buys you nice things. Wealth buys you time and freedom. Think long-term. Compound your earnings. Build a machine that pays you for life,